So I'll be showing you how to add or how to put the add yours template on Instagram. So you go into your stories, because this is an Instagram stories feature, and then you pick your image or video clip. And then now to add the add yours template, just tap on the sticker icon. And in the stickers, select add yours templates. So you can pick that, and then you can select what you want to pin for this one. Now, if you tap on these little cubes, it's going to show you different templates. So you have the get to know me template, which of course you can customize the way you want. You have this share a song you have on repeat right now template. You have this or that template. So depending on what you want, really, you can just select it like that. Let me go for the song template. Okay, so I'm just gonna select that. No, it's currently pinned, so others cannot edit it. And what you want to do now is select next and then continue with that template. And now that's going to put the add yours to your Instagram story. So when people see your Instagram story, they'll just come and tap on the add yours, and it's going to add for them, and they can now select their own thing that they want to share with people. But that is basically how to add or how to put the add yours template on your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.